I'm Lucy, and today we are going to be making trail mix. Here is what we'll need. So we have some peanuts, some caramel corn, some cashews, some chocolate candies, and some pretzels. Now you can add whatever more you'd like raisins or marshmallows. This is just the main things that I chose. Sometimes trail mix is healthy. Mine is not. Oops. So first, I'm gonna add some peanuts. Okay, now I'm gonna add some caramel corn. Okay, now we're gonna put some cashews in there. Love cashews. Okay, now I'll add in the chocolate. Okay, and then we put the pretzels in. My pretzels are in sticks, but I usually like to break them so they're not as big. It's gonna be so good. Now, just take a spoon and just mix it all up. Alright. There we go. And you can eat it in a bowl, or you can put some in a bag and take it with you on the trail. Some trail mix is healthy. Mine is not, but it's delicious. If you liked this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Now, let's call in our official taste tester. Here, try this. Too much in my mouth. It's very good. It may have been more fun if you put homemade things in it. Just an idea. But it's pretty good. So, as it is.